Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. Shout out! I want to give a quick shout out to Flair who actually posted this in the Patreon chat. This is probably why we actually ended up mooning. These are my current open positions right now. I'm short as hell on Ethereum, but this is probably why we actually ended up mooning here around 12:30 or so. There you go. 12 o'clock. There you go. 12 o'clock. We opened up. Boom. You see that explosion to the upside. We probably ended up doing that because of the news here. The United States Treasury is exploring a debt buyback when the country is $31 trillion in debt, and the Federal Reserve posted its first operating loss in years, which is kind of insane. The fact that I'm sure a lot of people already saw. I think Stephen Van Buren. So shout out to him. He's one of the only people that I actually watch on YouTube. I think he's fantastic. He specialized in bonds, and I think he traded with the fund, or is currently trading with the fund that focuses on bonds itself. That's like the only person that I ever listened to as far as like stocks or anything. But Flair, quick shout out to him. He actually posted this in the chat. If the Fed or the Treasury decides to do actually do a debt buyback, even if it is out of thin air, even if it doesn't make sense, even if it sounds stupid, this is essentially quantitative easing for the market. If they start buying back what they're offloading from their balance sheets, it's essentially quantitative easing. They're buying back everything that they've been selling for the last couple of months or so. So if this happens, I'd say long the F out of everything, because that essentially means that they're doing, a kind of a workaround of quantitative easing. They're not flooding, the market with a crap ton of money, but it's essentially just buying back everything that they offloaded for a much cheaper price, which is essentially the same thing. This is quantitative easing by them just buying back all their debt. So if this actually does happen and it's official, I will begin longing the F out of absolutely everything. I'll see you guys later.